What if I told you one simple plant could help clear your skin, ease your digestion, and even strengthen your immune system? Today, we're breaking down the top 10 amazing health benefits of aloe vera juice, and why it might just become your new daily ritual. Let's get into it. Number 1. Soothes your digestive system. Aloe vera juice is like a calming balm for your gut. It contains enzymes that help break down sugars and fats, improving digestion. It also has mild laxative effects, which can help with constipation and promote regular bowel movements. Number 2. Boosts nutrient absorption. Drinking aloe vera juice increases how well your body absorbs nutrients from food. Its natural compounds help improve the bioavailability of vitamins and minerals, making every bite you eat more effective. Number 3. Supports healthy skin. Aloe vera is packed with antioxidants, vitamins C and E, and water, all of which hydrate your skin and reduce inflammation. Regularly drinking aloe vera juice may help fight acne, clear up blemishes, and give your skin a natural glow. Number 4. Reduces inflammation. Whether it's joint pain, skin irritation, or internal inflammation, aloe vera juice helps calm things down. It's rich in polyphenols and other anti-inflammatory compounds that protect your cells from damage. Number 5. Aids in weight loss. Aloe vera juice can help boost metabolism and promote fat burning. Its detoxifying properties also help clean out your digestive tract, which may support weight loss efforts when combined with a healthy lifestyle. Number 6. Strengthens the immune system. Aloe vera juice contains compounds like asmannan that help stimulate white blood cells. This gives your immune system extra support, helping you fight off colds, viruses, and other infections more effectively. Number 7. Promotes heart health. Some studies suggest aloe vera juice may help lower cholesterol and regulate blood sugar levels. This can support cardiovascular health and reduce the risk of heart disease over time. Number 8. Helps control blood sugar. For people with type 2 diabetes or those at risk, aloe vera juice may help lower blood glucose levels. It does this by improving insulin sensitivity and reducing blood sugar spikes after meals. Number 9. Hydrates the body. Aloe vera juice is over 95% water and contains essential electrolytes. It's a great natural way to stay hydrated, especially after exercise or during hot weather. Number 10. Detoxifies your system. Thanks to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, aloe vera juice helps flush out toxins from the liver and kidneys. A cleaner internal system can improve energy, skin clarity, and overall health. Bonus tip. How to drink aloe vera juice safely. Start small, around 1 to 2 ounces a day, and make sure you're using a purified, decolorized product that's safe for consumption. Too much can cause cramping or diarrhea, especially if it still contains aloe. So there you have it. Aloe vera juice isn't just a trendy health drink, it's a powerhouse of benefits packed into every sip. From your skin to your gut to your immune system, this simple plant juice can make a big impact. Try it out, listen to your body, and always consult with your doctor before making big changes to your diet. Your health journey just got a little greener. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.